Hi guys, good evening. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So, what we have done in yesterday's session? In the yesterday's session, we have started implementing some framework concepts, and as part of that, we created this after method and before method, and we have started copying this test methods from different tests. So till 16 we copied here, right? Till 16 we copied here. We'll continue the same thing from 17 onwards. We'll copy this 17th. There's data provider also. Along with the data provider, you take it. Control X, Control V, and here provide priority as 17 here. Priority is equal to 17, comma. Two attributes are there for this test method. Here the common steps you can remove. The common steps you can remove, and at the end, driver.quit is not there anyhow. That's okay. Save all. That part is done. Now let's go with the next one. That is delete the 17th test. Go with the 18th one. Go with the 18th one. Take this test method here. It's kind of lengthy. Copy this test method. Cut from here. Go to the register.java and paste here and give the priority as for this test method. Give the priority as 18 or something. It's the 18th test, right? We'll give priority as 18 here. Very lengthy test. Priority is equal to 18. And here the common steps till navigating to the register account page you can remove because we have before method annotated setup method is available. Okay, save all. Once that is done, delete this. This doesn't have any driver.quit, that's okay. Then go with the 19th one. Copy the test method here. Copy the test method. Go to the register.java and paste it here. And here, okay. Here we are going to remove this register.click till navigating to the register page will remove. Okay. Remaining all will keep here. Save all. Driver.pit is also not there. That's okay. 19th is also done. Delete the 19th test. Then go with the 20th. It's very simple. Control X. And here give the test methods also. This is priority is equal to 19, I think so. Now this is priority is equal to 20. Okay. And then the common steps you remove. And also driver.quit also you remove. Okay. Just one line is there in the test method now. So here let's see it has 18 or not. It's kind of lengthy. Just give me a second. Yeah, 18, 19, 20. Delete the 20th one. Go with the 21. Cut this test method and paste it here and give the priority as 21. Priority is equal to 21 and remove this. And here remove the driver.quit also. Save all. Delete the 21st one. Then go with the 22nd. Cut this. Paste it here. And here write down priority is equal to 22. Remove this line. Driver.quit also you remove. Save all. Delete the 22nd test case. Go with the 23rd. It's kind of lengthy again. Cut it. Go to the register.java, paste it. View priority as 23. View priority as 23. Priority is equal to 23. remove this, save this, delete the 23rd, go with the 24th, cut this, go to the restart.java, paste it here, give priority is equal to 24, remove this setup method code and remove the driver.quit from here, save all, delete the 24th one, go with the 25th, remove this, cut and paste it here in the restart.java and here give priority is equal to 25 and remove this setup code and remove this quit code, save all, delete the 25th test case, then 26, cut it, go here and paste it and then say priority is equal to 26. Okay, remove this and here remove this. That's it. Save this. Then delete the 26. Go with the 27th. Cut and come back here and paste. Then here give priority is equal to 27. Priority is equal to 27, comma. Here remove all this stuff and remove this code also, guys. It's not required because okay, we didn't give that, right? Control Z otherwise. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, fine. Let it be there for now. And remove the driver.quit from here. The setup code has been removed. Then how it will be done then? This driver is equal to null if browser dot equals Chrome. Then launch in the Chrome browser. But in the setup method, what is there? Let's see. The setup method, we are launching the Chrome browser here. So we cannot go with a specific type of stuff here. Remove all this stuff and put it like this for now. Okay. We'll think about this later, how to run in all environments. We have different plan for that. So Control Shift O, all the unused import statements will be removed. Control Shift F, formatting of the text code will be done properly. Still the warning messages are there here and there. Okay, here you see some get attribute related errors are coming, right? Wherever the warning messages are there, get attribute related. So because in the latest version of Selenium, get attribute command got deprecated, guys. Okay. So if you are using the latest version of Selenium here in your project, here if I am using, what is the latest version? Selenium Java. If you are using 4.27.0 or above, if you are using any of the version from 4.27.0 or above, then we don't have this method, guys. I'll delete this first of all. We don't have this method. We have to write down get DOM. Instead of this attribute, you have to write get DOM attribute. Okay. Get DOM attribute is the method we have to use, guys. Save all. Yeah, gone. Copy this and paste it everywhere. In place of the get attribute, you have to use get DOM attribute. So the get attribute method used to be there in the older version of Selenium. Now in the latest version of Selenium from 4.27.0 onwards, in place of the get attribute, you have to use get DOM attribute. Okay. The things got changed a bit. Okay. Wherever we have used that, okay, try to use get DOM attribute. In place of the get attribute, use get DOM attribute, guys. Okay, then next, where exactly it is there? Any other places we have that get attribute being used, the command being used? Let's see. Save all, I will say, and see wherever the warning messages. Any other warning messages are there here? No, I think everything is good now. Fine, let's run the register.java here. Right click. Since we have clubbed all the different all the separate test cases into a single file, that is register.java, and we provided only one before method, annotation method, and after method for the setup code and of the quit code of the browser and all, and remaining all are the test methods. Okay. If you have considerable number of test cases, you can add them into the same file. Okay, in real time. Now run the script. Right click. run as test test. Let's see if all the tests are being running or not. Whether they pass or fail doesn't matter. Ultimately, they are getting run and giving the proper results or not, we are going to see. If any problems are there, we'll rectify them during this process. Okay. Definitely some problems will come. What are the problems you have to investigate and rectify them according to that particular test. Let all the tests run one by one because we have done a major change in the project. So we have to make sure that everything is working fine after this change. Slowly we'll implement the framework concepts. This is one of the things that we have implemented so far. We still have many more things to be implemented here. What are those things I'm going to cover later, okay? Let all the tests run. All the 27 tests need to run from the register account functionality. They're all part of the register.java file now. After we get the results, we'll investigate if there are any problems in the script. We'll modify or work on the scripts to resolve the problems later. Scripts are still running. Let's wait for all the scripts to run one by one. Okay, let's wait. There are a few more tests that are still running. Let's wait. Okay. All the links on the page are being verified one by one. Test is running now. Okay, the script is running. Yeah, we finally got the results. Finally got the results, guys. Let's see. Total 33 runs, including data-driven tests and all those stuff. Okay. And original tests are like 27, in that 12 got failed. Remaining all got passed. That's okay. And we'll see the test engine results. Here, first one got pass. Here, it got failed. So what is the reason it got failed here? Verify register account using invalid email. We didn't get this warning message. Okay, we didn't get this warning message. Verify registering out using invalid email. Please include an @ in the email address. But found null, it's saying. In which line? We have to investigate, guys. You see, we have to investigate this and resolve this problem. Okay, verify registering account using invalid email. And if you pass an invalid email, a motor is missing an @ but found null, it is saying. I don't think this should fail actually. This particular thing is failing. Data driven test. What is kind of thing here? Invalid email. What is the invalid email you are entering here? Send keys into the email field. You are entering emotori and selecting all options and clicking on the continue button. And please include. Okay. Are we not getting? We are getting null. It is saying maybe instead of DOM attribute. Sometimes if DOM attribute is not working, you have to give DOM property, guys. Get DOM property. You have to give. If DOM attribute is not working, then give DOM property. So there are two methods here. Either one of the methods will work. So give DOM property elsewhere and see whether this DOM property is working or not. So let's see, verify registering account using invalid email address is one thing that if you have modified here. Get DOM attribute we modified with the get DOM property. If DOM attribute method is not working, get DOM property you have to use. Okay. Then verify registering account using invalid telephone number. No such element exception is coming here. Warning message is not coming. Yes, that's correct only. Whatever the error is coming is fine. We are not getting the warning message. So the test is getting failed here because of the warning message is not coming. Verify registering account is pass, and verify mandatory fields in the register account page. Hashtag is not found for the privacy policy field. That is also correct only because it's properly failed. Verify database testing. Database is not live here, so it will definitely fail. But yeah, that's okay. Verify registering account by entering only spaces. Here spaces are not getting trimmed. We know that. Okay, what is this? Unable to verify registering account by entering only spaces. Here, no, unable to locate the element input ID telephone field following. That's a warning message, right? That's a warning. Why we are? Let's go to this test and see what is happening here. Enter. Oh, only entering spaces. Okay, fine. We are not getting the warning message for the telephone. That's correct only. Okay, that's correct only, guys. Okay. Only spaces if you are entering, but telephone field is not getting verified, and because of which we are not getting the warning message under the telephone field. That's why the test got failed. That's okay. And data driven test will fail here because password complexity is not being the same test, but run multiple times, 5 times. Okay, it will fail every time. That's okay. And this verify height and width number of characters here. Okay, for which one it got failed? Number of characters. Okay, number of characters. It may have got failed, guys, for number of characters, guys. Okay, for number of characters, it may have got failed here. True but found false. Okay. Then, yeah, that is also correct. Verify registering account using leading and trailing spaces. Yeah, leading and they are not getting trimmed. That's okay. And remaining all got passed. That's all good, guys. Okay. Only thing is that I need to run this. Okay. I just modified this. Verify mandatory. Okay, not this one. This one, I think so. Sorry, not this one. I think this one, I think so. This one need to pass now. I'll run only this particular test. Remaining all are working fine, guys. Okay. Remaining all tests are working fine. If this only will work, then we are good to go. If only this particular thing will work, we are good to go. Yeah. Now after the changes, it is working fine. After changing that get DOM attribute to get DOM property, it is working fine. So we are done with the register.java thing, guys. Okay. We are done with the register.java. Now the thing here is, what will be the next thing that we are going to implement in this? What is the next thing? So here, multiple separate Java files have created for every test earlier, but I just converted into single Java file now, that is register.java. All the test case of the register.java are created in the form of test test methods inside this register.java with priority I have given in a proper order they are running, and we got the results also fine. Then what is the next thing that I am going to do here is, the next thing that I am going to do here is, you know, here, every time we may not run in the same browser, right? Every time we'll not run in the scripts in the same browser. Sometimes you have to run the scripts in Firefox browser. Sometimes you have to run the scripts in Edge browser and all those stuff. So how to modify the script so that the script will run in different browsers every time? Okay. To do that, to make that happen, here I'll give something like string browser name. String browser name is equal to, if I give Chrome here, I'll write the code like this. Okay. If browser name dot equals, if it is equal to Chrome, if it is equal to Chrome, then driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. Okay. Else if browser name dot equals, if it is equal to Firefox, driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Okay. I'll write like this. Control Shift O. Then else if browser name dot equals, if it is equal to Edge, I would like to run the script in Edge browser. Driver is equal to new Edge driver. Like this I'll write. Okay. Control Shift O. Then else if browser name dot equals, if it is equal to Internet Explorer, then I'll write down driver is equal to new Internet Explorer driver. That's it. Now else if browser name dot equals, if it is equal to, what is that, Safari, then I'll simply write down driver is equal to new Safari driver. Okay. Control Shift O. Like this I'll write. Now what is the use of writing the code like this? You see, here if I mention Chrome, the scripts are going to run in Chrome browser. If I'm going to mention, if I assign Edge, this Firefox into the browser name, the scripts are going to run in the Firefox browser. If I am going to assign Edge here, the scripts are going to run in the Edge browser. Okay. For now, I'll just give Firefox here. Let's see whether the scripts are running, whether all the scripts are running in the Firefox browser or not. We'll see now. Okay. I just give the browser name in the before annotation method as the Firefox here. Let's see whether scripts are running in the Firefox browser or not. So right click here and see. Just by changing the browser name here, all the scripts in this particular register.java should run in that particular browser. Cross-browser testing. We have successfully implemented the cross-browser testing here, where the same scripts we can, you see the scripts are running on Firefox browser. As you can see here, guys, the scripts are now running on the Firefox browser here. Okay. The scripts are now running on the Firefox browser here. Earlier, the scripts were running on the Chrome browser. Now all the scripts are whether running in the Firefox browser or not. Let's see. If any problems, we'll rectify, because it's better to run the scripts in different browsers after doing a lot of changes here. It's a good thing to verify that our scripts are running in different browsers once. Okay. Slowly we are doing some small changes to the code and improvising the project, implementing some framework concepts. Okay. And making the things better here. Let's see how it goes. Now, currently the scripts are running in Firefox browser. Even the scripts need to run in Edge browser also. Okay, after this, the scripts also should run in the Edge browser. We'll make sure that the scripts are properly working in all the browsers, all the supported browsers. Let's say if Chrome, Firefox, and Edge are the three browsers that are supported by the application, we have to run the scripts in only three browsers. Okay, the scripts are still running. Let's wait. They will take some time, guys. That's okay. The scripts will take some time. That's okay. A lot of things to be implemented as part of the frameworks. Few things we have implemented so far, but we have similarly a lot of other things that we have to implement. And we have to, on a daily basis, we have to work on a lot of stuff going ahead to make the project even more better. Before we start automating the login functionality related tests, there are a lot of work that we have to do it here. Okay. So let's do that later. Okay. So in upcoming sessions, we'll do that. But for today, we'll try to run the scripts on the supported browsers and see if the scripts are running properly in all the browsers or not. As part of browser testing, you have to see our tests are running in all the browsers or not. If our application supports, let's say, three browsers, in all the three browsers it's working or not, we'll see. Okay, we'll assign three browsers to our code and see whether scripts are running in the appropriate browsers or not. Okay, properly or not. Till now we have seen only in the Chrome browser, but there may be some situations where we have to modify the code for the Firefox and Edge browser also. Some scripts may need to be modified. Okay, we'll see. Really, if it is required, we'll modify that. See how many more tests need to run. Still they are running. That's okay. Still the tests are running. That's okay. Okay, still the scripts are running. That's okay. You slowly go, guys. No need to hurry up. First, the things need to work in the First, the scripts were working in the Chrome browser. Now, all the scripts, all the 27 tests need to work in the Firefox browser. Once all they work in the Firefox browser, we also have to make sure that they are working in the Edge browser or not. Once all the three browsers are supporting this test, then move forward for the other thing. Yeah, you got the results now. Verify registering account with existing email address. Okay. Invalid email got failed here. Here, we got a different warning message. In case of the Firefox browser, we are not getting the same warning message. We are getting a different warning message. That is, please enter an email address we are getting instead of please include an at the rate. Okay. No matter what, we are getting the please enter an email address only. So what we have to do for the Firefox browser, the assertion should be different, guys. For the Firefox browser, the assertion should be different. Okay. If it is Chrome, that's okay. We are getting this warning message, but for Firefox browser, we are getting a different warning message. So how to overcome this problem? To overcome this problem, guys, we have to simply write down here like this. If, okay, to make this string browser name, I'll just take it to the global level now and write down browser name and simply write down browser name. I can use it in everywhere. What was the test? This is a test, right? If browser name dot equals is equal to Chrome, then this expected warning message and this is the assertion we have to do. This is the assertion we have to check. Okay. If it is either Chrome or if the browser name dot equals Edge also, mostly same will happen in the Edge browser, guys. Chrome and Edge will be mostly same. So if it is either Chrome or Edge, we have to verify like this. Otherwise, else if the browser name dot equals, if it is equal to Firefox, then the expected warning message should be different, guys. The expected warning message should be different in the Firefox browser. I'll copy these three lines and here the expected warning message should be something like this. Okay. Please enter an email address dot. Please enter an email address dot. Please enter an email address dot. Please enter an email address. Please enter an email address. This should be the warning message. Let me confirm here. Please enter an email address. Yeah, that's perfectly right. So in case of Firefox browser, we are getting a different warning message. So we have to make sure that this is happening. The same thing should happen here for different thing also. The same thing should happen here. If browser name is equal to like this, if it is Chrome or Edge, then this will be okay. But if it is Firefox, else if it is Firefox, the warning message should be completely different. Please enter an email address should be the warning message. Okay. Then what next? Here also one more assertion is there here. Email address does not appear to be valid. That's okay. This is okay. This is like, get text is okay. Here, how many emails are there here? There's one email and second one, third one is okay. Fourth one, Dot is used at a wrong Gmail is expected warning we are getting in case of fire Chrome and Edge browser. We are getting this one. Just copy this for the last one also. We have to write like this. Organize here, and else if browser name dot equals Firefox, then in that case the assertion message should be warning message should be something different. Let's see after doing this small change whether this particular script is running in the Firefox browser properly or not. Run this. Only one script I am running here, which got failed. Yeah, it's working fine now. And also I'll do the same thing for Chrome browser. I'll do the same thing for Chrome browser and I'll try it for the Edge browser also. The same test case. Yeah, this is a test case. 10th test priority with 10. On Chrome also it should work now. In Firefox it should work. In Chrome it should work. In the Edge browser also it should work. Let's see how it goes. In Chrome also it's working. Now I'll change it back to now I'll change it to Edge. In Edge also it need to work. Yeah, I'm going to run in Edge browser to see whether it is working in Edge browser or not. We will again run the scripts on Firefox browser, all the scripts tomorrow. Today we'll stop here. Tomorrow again we'll run the scripts on Firefox browser as a final check to see if any of the tests are failing in the Firefox browser or Edge browser. We'll check. Okay. Now the script is running in the Edge browser to see. We'll see whether the things are working fine or not. You see, in all the three browsers, the test got passed. So I think mostly it will be working fine, guys. So still, as part of cross-browser testing implementation, we have to still run the scripts on Chrome is okay. Firefox and Firefox again I need to run, and again Edge also I'll run to see everything is working fine. This I'll do tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow the task is to run the scripts on different browsers, and if any changes are required, we'll do that. Okay. So this is a small change we have done here, and we are trying to run the scripts on different browsers. Okay. So because automation scripts, it's it's not only for Chrome browser. It maybe the scripts can be used for multiple environments. Okay. In our case, it is different browsers. Fine, guys. So guys, that's all for today. Switch case. What's the you? Okay, switch case. Okay, if that is a switch case, why do we have to use switch case here is a question. Which one will be better here? No, switch case again. Okay, switch case we can use or not. Maybe string browser name, edge, and switch case of if it is like this, like that, like this, like that, like that, like this. Okay. I think we can use switch case also. Anything is fine. I think so. Okay. Yeah, we can use. We can use. We'll try that tomorrow. Yes, in default we can say invalid browser name. Yes, correct. We can use switch case, not a problem. Yes, we can use switch case. That's not a big deal. Okay, we can do it. Yeah, this is also very simple. Switch case is also okay. Both are fine. Okay, there's no problem in. Here also you can write a else block saying that browser is not matching or something. You can write here also. There's no problem in that. Either you can go with this one. If you feel that switch case is a better option, you can go with the switch case also. Okay, not a problem. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see tomorrow what will be the best possibility of using the things. Okay. So any other questions, guys? Yeah, fine. So that's all for today, guys. I'll upload the code here. I'll upload the code. Yes, I'll upload the code.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, in a real time, the most of the automation testing engineers will run, like script running will be more work, sir. Like,
I didn't get your question.
so in real time, sir, in real time,
Real time.
so most of the automation test engineers, the so will when will they join the organization will be in the middle of the project, no, sir.
Yes.
So we'll not do from scratch, right?
Yes, we'll not do from scratch. There will be some framework already created. Okay. And people are already working on that project.
Okay. So So at that time, it will take some time, sir, to understand the project and all those
Yes, sir,
things.
definitely. They need to give you some knowledge transfer. Okay, then only you'll understand. You also have to spend some time with the project they have worked so far. Understand the domain. You have to gain the domain knowledge. You have to understand the framework that they have built so far. Okay, and see how
Yes,
the people are working. You have to work on your particular module that you are assigned to, and it automatically happens. Okay, it automatically happens. Okay, but without this knowledge, right, you'll not be confident in the projects. Okay,
yes, yes,
with this knowledge you'll feel comfortable. Okay, whenever you go, right, even I go to another company, a new project, if I go, ultimately I'll also face the same problem. Okay, for me
yes,
also same steps only. Okay, I'm not even though I'm good with automation also, if I join a company and they're using some framework, the company is very big, a lot of people are working on the project, means ultimately I also have to take the same path. I need to spend some time in understanding the domain, understanding the application, exploring the framework, talking to the automation engineers to understand what exactly they have done so far, what is the work. While working, I also may face some problems. It's all about the communication that we have to do to get the things done. Okay.
sir. It's a, if we are having experience in banking domain, like 3 years of experience.
Hmm.
So we have worked on a banking domain, for example.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
can, so when we are changing the to another company, we can uh, already we are having banking domain on 3 years experience, right? We can work on another domain also.
Yes, we can work on another domain. Domain is just a domain. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So you may have to work on different domains. Depends, but um, it doesn't mean that if you are working in one domain, every project you will be assigned to the same domain. It's not the thing. Okay. It depends on which domain that is available as part of the project. Okay. If you are into financial domain and if you have worked on banking applications, when you change the jobs, automatically you'll understand that which company you are going and what the company projects is all about. You will understand, right? Based on only you'll apply.
Yes.
Yeah, it all depends on the situations and all. Okay.
So like we can work in different domains, sir, as a test engineer.
Yes, we can work. That's what is the beauty of the test engineers. We don't have any limits. Okay.
Yeah.
Any technology, anything, we can explore anything. We are not bound to anything. Apart from testing will be there. Surrounding the testing, we have to acquire a lot of knowledge. As a software tester, our role is to, gain day-to-day knowledge on a lot of other things. Even networking is an area that we should not be aware, right, generally. But even networking also you can learn. There's no harm in doing learning the stuff. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So this is a project, guys. I have, I'll upload. Let's go here and just. This is a previous one. So test register.java is there. I'll just copy this and post it for you in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is today's code. Today's code. Yes, done. Okay, fine. So yeah, it's not like that. It's not compulsory that they will give you the KT. You need to go and explore sometimes and ask and clear your doubts. No, even the people who are already working in the project may not have the knowledge of the framework. Okay, it depends on person to person. Okay, it depends on the person to person. Like the people who are already working may not know the entire framework. So you need to get a high level KT from them to understand what exactly they are working on, and after that, you have to spend some time. It will take some time, guys. Okay, it's not like immediately after you join the project, everything you will understand. Okay, Ranjit. So after going into the project, it will take some time for you to explore the framework, understand the framework, how the developers of that particular framework have created or built that framework. It will take some time. Okay, to reverse engineer and all. It is an ongoing process. Okay, but initially, whatever the work that you need to do, if you are facing some problems because of you are not understanding that, then you have to get it cleared. That is the first step. Once it is cleared, right, then you can start spending some time. There may not be the people who will give you the complete KT of the framework. Okay, they'll not explain each and every part of the framework. Maybe you need to approach the right people Okay, depending on the level of questions you have to approach the right people, find the right people in the company who are already working, and then clear your doubts there. Okay, clear, Ranjit? What we have to do after joining a company, and if the project is already there, no one will give you the entire KT. There may be some companies they may give that, but it's not compulsory. So some high level help they will do. After that, we'll be on the project. Over a period of time, we have to contact different people in the project. We'll understand this person is working on this area. Let's go and talk to him and understand. Casually do a friendship and go for a coffee and then talk over the coffee and then sit with that guy and understand what's going on. That's how we have to take care of. Software testers only. Manual test cases and automation, everything nowadays agile, right? So you'll be responsible for writing the test cases by yourself, automating the test cases by yourself, everything will be done by you. In that sprint duration, we have to do that. Okay. Shadan, clear now? The same tester, we have to write the test cases, the same tester. Okay. So who will write all depends on the situation of the project. If you are newly joining the project, you will be writing. If you have joined the project in the middle, someone has already written, you have to understand who has written it and what is the test case and all those stuff you have to understand. Maybe you also given some functionality and you have to start writing the test cases by understanding how they have written for the existing modules. It all depends on the even I go and work for a new project, right? This that will be difficult for me. It's not like that. It's not only for you guys. Even if I join tomorrow another project, and the project is in middle means it also I also have to put the efforts. There's nothing wrong in that. Okay, but we have the previous experience, whatever the experience you are getting right now in our projects, right, in this live automation, that is the experience you already have, and you go there, and with that experience you will try to access or assess what is going on there and try to adjust to the project and face the challenges and then move on and then start automating the things or start writing the test cases accordingly. Okay, depending on the situations. Even for me also same process. Got it? Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. I need to jump on to another session now. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time, guys. Okay, at 7:30 p.m. IST. Till then, bye everyone. See you.